I'm Chris Kohatsu, and I'm the author of the cookbook Food with My Friends. I'm also a chef here at the Viking Culinary Center. Today I'm joined by my good friend, chef and food stylist Eric Tochterman, who is going to show us how to trim a watermelon. Eric, how do we get started?
I'm going to show you a quick couple easy steps that's going to make this usually daunting task a little easier for people. What I'm going to do, I'm going to start with a big chef knife, and I'm just going to take off the ends, both on the left side and the right side. Just like that. Easily turn it around. Make sure your knife is really sharp.
Oh, wow. Now, Eric is a great food stylist who's worked for some great celebrity chefs, so he knows how to make fruit just beautiful.
So we're going to go right on down the middle here and split this watermelon in half.
Wow.
Look how beautiful that is.
That's gorgeous.
So I'm going to show you two quick little ways. Now you have a nice flat surface, and it's going to keep things nice and steady because safety always comes first. And then you just follow your knife right on down.
I really like what you said, just let the watermelon do the work, let the knife do the work. It's so simple this way.
Exactly. A lot of times you're trying to fight with the knife, and it's, you know, when you get that rocking motion going and you have a sharp blade, it just goes right down.
It's beautiful.
So there's one option. You can peel it that way. And a great thing you can do with this is from there, once you're peeled, you can make long slices like this. You can get your kids involved, get some fun little cookie cutters, and make fun little shapes like stars, squares, circles.
That's
Time
really
to get the kids involved.
Yeah.
So that's a great way to do that, because now you can make long circles with the watermelon.
Sure.
And here's one more.
Oh, there's another way to trim it.
Yeah, we can do another way. We'll do it real quick here. Right on down the middle. And I'm just going to do a little quarter just to show you. Now for this, I actually like to use a smaller knife. A little bit easier to control.
Sure.
This is a nice little boning knife. And just follow it along the bottom here.
Almost letting that white rind guide you.
Exactly. Now it's off. If you want, you can just go ahead and slice it down the middle.
And
like
those are
this.
the perfect triangles.
Nice
we
little
all
wedges.
know. Yes.
If you want to do something a little fancy, just kind of put them off to the side there. And then you have a quick little, centerpiece that you can put together.
Well, Eric,
so that's a quick way.
Thank you so much for sharing your
My
talents and skills. I'm Chris Kohatsu, and you've just finished watching How to Trim a Watermelon.